Hi, I'm Nidhi Jacob and I'm here to show you this month's Flintobox for 4 to 8 year olds, and this month's box is called Lights and Shadows. The first activity is called Night Lamp, and in this activity we will be making our very own moon lamp using paper. Use paper bits and adhesive to make a moon shaped dome that can light up at night to give you company like the moon. This activity is aimed at enhancing fine motor skills and creativity while providing a multi-sensorial experience for the child. The second activity is called Shadow Play. In this activity, you will have to overturn tiles to find its shadows. The game is aimed at enhancing memory, shape and pattern recognition, and communication skills. The third activity is called Flash and Find, and this is a two-player game. The first player writes a secret message with invisible pen, and the other player tries to find out what the first player wrote. This activity enhances academic learning, observation, and vocabulary. The fourth activity is called Shadow Theatre, and this is a fun activity where your child can stage their own puppet show. It teaches them about lights and shadows while enhancing their fine motor skills and communication. The box also comes with a book called Monsters in the Room. Join Bobo, Benji, Mia, and Flinto on an exciting sleepover while you flip through the pages. This box is filled with exciting activities, so go get yours.